Forget dragging and dropping for hours. You have zero time for clunky interfaces and outdated software. In 2026, the definition of a free website builder changed completely. It isn't just about being free to click, it's about leveraging generative AI and unlocking true, measurable value in seconds. We are rapidly moving toward the era of agentic commerce, where AI agents bypass websites entirely to buy products on a user's behalf. If your free website builder makes you wait weeks to launch or forces you onto a generic, slow domain, you are actively losing money. Welcome back to CyberTechPal. Today, we are completely bypassing WordPress. I'm going to show you the top 5 zero BS free website builders on the market right now, categorize exactly what they are best at, and reveal the hidden catches for each one so you don't get trapped. Let's get to work. Builder 1. Framer, the AI design powerhouse. If you need professional-grade speed and top-tier aesthetics, Framer is the new gold standard. It uses advanced generative AI to create a unique, fully responsive design from a single text prompt. This isn't a cookie-cutter template. It's a bespoke site where the layout, typography, and copywriting are handled in real time. The real power user feature here is their true free tier. They are one of the rare modern builders that let you connect your own custom domain for free. The catch? You have to leave a small Made in Framer badge in your footer. For a truly custom domain at zero cost, that is an incredible trade-off. Builder 2. Card, the minimalist king. Framer is amazing for heavy lifting, but what if you literally need a single page to validate an idea today? That is where Card steps in. For one-page sites, personal portfolios, or link-in-bio landing pages, Card remains completely undefeated. It is pure, minimalist speed. Their free tier is incredibly generous, allowing you to build up to 3 separate sites on a single account. The catch? You cannot use a custom domain on the free version. You get yoursite.card.co, and you cannot access standard email sign-up forms. But for raw validation speed, it is flawless. Builder 3. Webflow, the power user. Now, if you are a designer who demands absolute pixel-perfect control, you need Webflow. While they have integrated AI to speed things up, Webflow's true superpower is giving you total control over the underlying HTML and CSS without ever forcing you to write a line of code. You can build complex, animation-heavy layouts and robust content management systems that other free builders cannot handle. The catch here is the steep learning curve. It is not an AI and done platform. You also have to use their webflow.io staging domain on the free tier. Builder 4. HubSpot, the lead generation machine. If you are running a small business, a pretty website is useless if it doesn't generate leads. HubSpot is often overlooked as a builder, but it has a massive, unique advantage: the ecosystem. When you build a site on HubSpot's free tier, it is fully integrated with their free CRM, email marketing, and live chat tools. You can drop a form on your site that instantly populates your CRM and triggers a welcome email. The catch? The builder itself is fairly basic compared to Framer, and you are restricted to a staging domain. Still, it is the only platform giving you real, functional business tools for absolutely $0. Builder 5. Square, the e-commerce loophole. Finally, if you want to sell physical products, platforms like Shopify rarely offer a true functional free tier. Square is the exception. Square lets you launch a simple online store for free, list unlimited products, and accept payments directly through its ecosystem. Their AI will even generate a basic store layout based on your business type. The catch? There are no monthly fees, but they make their money on transaction fees. They take a slightly higher percentage of each sale than they do with their paid plans. Here is the ultimate reality check for 2026. Free almost always means free on our brand. While these builders are incredibly powerful, they want you to stay on their platform. If you are serious about long-term SEO or building a professional brand, you will eventually need to upgrade to a paid plan to strip away the platform badges and unlock full control over your domain's technical SEO settings. So, the choice is yours. Need raw AI design? Framer. A quick one-pager? Card. Pixel-perfect control? Webflow. Built-in leads? HubSpot. Free e-commerce? Square. Stop waiting and start building. Drop a comment below and let me know which free builder you plan to test first. If this breakdown saved you some time today, smash that like button to push this video to other creators. But listen, building a sleek, modern website is going to be an incredibly frustrating experience if your actual computer is lagging, freezing, or taking forever to load your web browser. If your PC is dragging, your operating system is likely choking on gigabytes of corrupted system caches that are actively tanking your processor's performance. Click the video on your screen right now titled Windows 11 Running Slow? Clear these 4 caches now. I am going to walk you through the exact zero BS steps to flush out the 4 worst hidden caches in Windows and instantly snap your PC's speed back to life. Click right there to win your raw performance back. Make sure you are subscribed to CyberTechPal, and I'll see you over in that video.